Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been 2 whole years since I did an international trip and since I did any proper travel vlog. So this trip is to Singapore. It's my first time since the pandemic. I did some stuff that I've done before, but also some new adventures. So I thought I'd vlog it and show you some of the fun things to do when you're in Singapore. I really hope you enjoy this. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoy. So this is a really fun experience if you want to do this. I am at Janice Wong's Pure Imagination. I'm sitting in for a chocolate workshop. It's more like a bean to bark workshop, sort of understanding the process of how chocolate is made. And then you can get samplers and you can have little cocoa drinks and really understand what it's like. So if you enjoy chocolate, this is a great workshop to do. So as you can see, you can get really hands-on. You're learning about the chocolate, the entire journey from harvesting to foraging, all that. And then you can try different samplers from the chocolates that they supply from or the countries that they supply from. And then you'll also get some lovely hot chocolate to sample as well. Really interactive and great for samplers if you enjoy chocolate. So this is pretty wild. I'm in Sentosa. Obviously, I cannot take my mask off. I'm in a public place. But I'm going to do something very, very cool. It's called the Sky Helix or the Sky Helix. I'm not sure how I pronounced that. And it's going to be what you see behind me. Yep, all the way up. So I'm going to sit in that, go all the way up, and then just get a lovely 360-degree panoramic view. Did I say panoramic? Panoramic view. Oh my gosh, I think it's the mask. I'm gonna blame it all on the mask, but it's pretty cool and I cannot wait to do that. There you go. That is the Sky Helix or the Sky Helix, and then it's almost like this big hot air balloon, but it's really not, and you're strapped in, and then when they take off, it'll go all the way up and rotate. Up, up and away. Okay, I'm all strapped in. We are ready to do this, considering I'm terrified of heights.
No, you won't be. Once we're on top, you'll be flying. Like
we're already flying.
Guys, are you guys still doing okay?
Yeah. Very okay.
Okay,
No.
whatever it is, just look straight. So that's the whole point of the rotation. Okay? Don't look down.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm not. If I look down, I will cry.
The best part of the ride, if you can actually look down and take a photo of your dangling,
no.
that'll be your best memory actually.
No.
Ah.
So that was it. I got off the Sky Helix. Terrified at first, but I don't think I had to be, like, and I'm scared of heights. So if you're scared of heights and you think, oh my god, how am I gonna do this, it's actually really safe. You're strapped in completely. There's no way for anything to happen. I kept thinking, oh my god, is my phone gonna fall? It does not. It's really lovely. The breeze is nice, and I did this at around 5 o'clock, but I would imagine if you did it later at night, it would actually be a really nice ambience and even slightly romantico, if I do say so myself. But of course there are like 8 other people in the booth with you, so I don't know how romantic, but it is quite nice. If you like to do this, or if you're coming to Singapore, please come to Sentosa and try the Sky Helix. Another great thing to do in Singapore is come to the Gardens by the Bay. Look at that. It's quite lovely. I'm actually gonna go up on one of the ropeways or the walkway. I did that last a couple of years ago. I'm gonna do it again. It's a great attraction. It's great for photos, and also if you're a nature lover, then this is perfect. There's just so many observatories with flora and fauna and little plants, and I saw poisonous frogs in the last one. So definitely if you enjoy nature and you want some pretty photos, or you want to come in the evening and see a gorgeous light show, please come to Gardens by the Bay. So I'm up here in one of the trees. I'm on the observatory deck. It goes all the way around and you can get a nice view of Singapore and everything around. Just look at that. So I think this is all part of the package. I'm kind of looking down because I'm a little scared of heights, and it's open, but it is quite lovely and just nice and green. It always amazes me how there is so much greenery in such a tiny city, but Singapore does a fabulous job. And last but not least, I'm at the cloud forest. It's gorgeous. This is huge waterfall. Can you see that? It's pretty special. Okay, so without a doubt, one of the coolest things I've done is come to a place called Centopia to make my very own scent. So you can pick from all these perfumes behind. They make you do like this little personality test, and it's not really a personality test, but it's just kind of gauging the stuff that you like. Do you like more floral? Do you like more fruity or citrus? Do you like more woody or oriental? Just sort of the basic fragrances or the basic scents. And then I went around picking and choosing, and I finally got my little sample. And I love it. It smells so great. I don't know how to describe it because I'm really not that familiar with scents and florals and perfumes and things like that. I just know what I like. So I really like this, and I'm going to say that it is perfectly me. Okay, so this is basically all the scents that you choose from. You basically do a little quiz, and then these are the different types of scents, and you just pick and choose and mix and make your own scent. If you want to do this, you want to get your own scent, pick the flavors based on your personality. I keep saying flavors, it's scents. You want to pick the scents based on your personality, what you like, what you don't like, mix and match, choose from them, and then make your very own scent. And you can customize your name on the bottle as well. It's very, very cool. Sentosa Island, Scentopia. It's a little bit of a mouthful, but don't miss it. Scentopia, you can make your own perfume. Where else can you do that? It's pretty cool. So doors are closing. I am in my little cable car, and this is my dinner with a lovely view that's gonna come up very soon. There we go. This is a beautiful set, like a bento box dinner in the cable car, and look at that view. Actually sunset right now, and the video is just not doing justice to how beautiful it is. I mean, of course you could take a normal cable car ride and do this any time of day, but if you want this to be a little bit special, just like this, then you come for dinner and say hi to my date.
Hello!
Super thrilled with this whole experience, not to mention the food is fantastic. If you want to try something different, once again, come to Singapore, come to Sentosa and get the cable car dinner. Just really special, nice for an occasion, a birthday, Valentine's Day, which I hear is extremely popular. Obviously, look how romantic this is. But even if you just want to do something fun and different, this is a great opportunity. I hope you come here and I hope you enjoy this. Oh, thank you. That is a quick course change. This is dessert and it's gotten dark, so we have a nice little light. Thank you so much. That is really quick, just when the doors are open. Oh, lovely. How lovely. So I'm not much of an Instagrammer in terms of like taking photo shoots or like funky backgrounds for Instagram, but Singapore is full of fun places like that. Like right behind me, can you see all these wonderfully colorful buildings? So just stopped here to take a couple of photos and videos, but you'll see so many places like this. So when you're out and about, just keep your eye open. You never know what you can find. So that's it for this vlog, guys. This was my things to do when you're in Singapore. Some stuff I'd done before, some stuff is new, some is revamped. Stuff like Gardens by the Bay is a little bit different. Even the cable car ride revamped completely to add new attractions, which I thought were great fun. So I hope you enjoy this. As always, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know if you liked it. Like this video and of course subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys very, very soon.